Let's recreate this Janhvi Kapoor's makeup look from Anant and Radhika's wedding. Hi guys, this is Zeba and welcome to my channel. So I have already done my CTM routine and also applied a primer. So I'm starting off with a concealer and I'm using a darker shade of concealer to hide my discolorations. And for that I have used the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 01 Warm Sand and blended it using a brush. Then I'm using the Pilgrim Serum Foundation in the shade Rich Caramel. Applied several dots and blended it using a flat top foundation brush. After blending the foundation using a brush, I have run a damp beauty blender throughout my face to make sure that all the excess product has been soaked by the beauty blender. Then I'm applying a highlighting concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 317 Almond. I have also applied it on my eyelids instead of an eyeshadow primer. Janhvi Kapoor had a very dewy base, that is why we are using products that will make our base look very dewy and glowy. To set everything, I have used the Pilgrim Compact in the shade Rich Caramel. To bronze my face, I'm gonna be using the NY Bay Bronzer Stick in the shade Toast on my cheekbones, on my jawline, around my hairline, and to contour my nose. All the product details will be flashing on the screen. You can check that out, or if you want the link for any of the products that I have used here, you can simply comment down below and I will link all those products. To give some color to my face, I'm using the Just Herbs cheek tint in the shade Peachy Coral. For a subtle highlight look, I have applied the Insight Cosmetics Illuminator in the shade Rose Gold and applied it on top of the blush and blended it using my fingers. And I'm only using a liquid highlighter and not a powder highlighter because I did not want chunky particles showing. Now let's do the eyes, and for that I'm using the Reached Mars 15 Fantasy eyeshadow palette. First off, I'm applying a medium brown eyeshadow only to the outer corners of my eyelids and simply blending it out. And then I'm using this very subtle pink shade and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes and blending it thoroughly. Then I'm using this beautiful shimmer shade from the C2P Pro Pathfinder eyeshadow palette, and you can either apply it using your fingers or a brush, it's up to you. Then using a dark brown eyeshadow only on the outer V of my eyes. Then again using the medium brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Then applying the dark brown eyeshadow very close to my lash line using a thin angled brush. Now I'm going to use this beautiful champagne shade to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. I'm also tightlining my upper waterline using the Faces Canada Magnetite Black Kajal. Then for the eyeliner part, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Pot Gel Eyeliner. You do not need to be precise because anyway we are going to blend it further to give it a very smoky eyeliner effect. If you want, you can also set your eyeliner with a black eyeshadow to make sure it doesn't budge. Then I'm just applying a single coat of mascara. This is the Reached Mars Fabulash Mascara and I have applied it both on my upper as well as lower lashes. And then I have applied these Kalelis eyelashes. These are available on Amazon and are my favorite. Then I have set my face using the Reached Mars setting powder. To set my cream blush, I have used this powder blush from Swiss Beauty Blush and Highlight Palette. This is a very peachy, light peachy shade. Now comes my favorite part of the makeup, which is applying a lipstick. So I have used this beautiful Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. First off, to give my lips some hydration, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Kiss Candy Lip Balm in the shade Pomegranate. And I'm going to top it off with the Sugar Pop Lip Gloss in the shade Maple Syrup. This is a rich brown lip gloss. And just look how it defined my whole lips and looks amazing. I just accessorized a little bit with some tika and jhumka, and Janhvi was wearing a bindi, a maroon one, so I did the same. So that's it, and I have attached a reference image for the makeup look so you can actually compare both our makeup looks. and tell me if I did justice to the whole look. If you do like it, please hit the like button. Do share this video with your friends and families, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content, and do press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. I'll see you on Sunday at 12 p.m. for day 4 of our professional makeup masterclass. Till then, you take care, and I love you all so much.